Hello, this is Greg Labarge, Field Specialist in Agronomic Systems with Ohio State University Extension, and here today to talk about our 2021 maximum yield of corn and soybean, a Farm Science Review Agronomy Discovery plot. What we wanted to do with these plots is identify the maximum yield of corn and soybeans based on the 2021 growing season. We selected long season varieties and hybrids. We looked at fertility based off a soil test, and then we monitored soil moisture and provided supplemental irrigation. This is the corn management details. We were able to plant on 4/19 with our corn crop, got emergence on 5/6, and you see the rest of the growing season there outlined with the corn development as well as disease and insect pressure. Here is our detail on corn fertility. You can see the soil test results there as well as our one tissue test. The only thing that was out of line was the potassium levels as far as the corn ear leaf. And then you also see here the amount of nutrients added. We were somewhere around 350 pounds of nitrogen, and then you can see the rest of this based off of the soil test as far as P and K recommendations, and we did add 14 pounds of sulfur. This graphic just shows our growing degree days and accumulation from planting to the end of the season, and provides us some indication of corn development. And we did reach the growing degree day requirements for black layer as of September 15th. This is a graphic of the percent volumetric water content from our CropX probe. Shows the 8-inch and 16-inch level. We were targeting to, at the 8-inch level, maintain a 30% VWC. You can see we did that for most of the growing season except for a short period where our well pump was down. Here's the information that we wanted to know, and that is yield for the year. And under our non-irrigated area, we had 193 bushel. Under our irrigated area, 284, with the big difference being the number of harvestable ears in our 17.5 inches of row length. We will do a final harvest with hand harvest, shelling, and by grain weight. These were just estimates based off of yield components. This is our soybean management detail, a little bit of wet period after planting corn, and we did not end up planting the soybeans until 5/20 and 15-inch rows. You can see the information there as far as emergence on 5/25, and then the development throughout the growing season. We had minimal insect injury, and then we did have no disease issues. Here's the fertility information for the plot and the tissue test. We did add over the entire plot the same treatment on 4/18. Here is our soybean soil moisture information. You can see the soybeans don't pull on that 16-inch soil profile, but the 8-inch level certainly did fluctuate throughout the growing season, and we did have a short issue there as far as less than our targeted level, but that period was shorter with our soybean crop. Here is our estimated yield based off of the yield components. We did see a 93 bushel yield is what we're estimating at this point. Once again, we'll determine final yield by hand harvest here at the end of the growing season. Thank you for viewing our video today, and stay tuned for actual yields this fall. We'll report that through the corn newsletter.